Hello everyone, this is the Undetectable team again. Today we will talk about an issue of cloud profile blocking and show you how to solve it. Let's get started. When creating new profiles in the Undetectable browser, you can store them locally on your computer, but you also have the option to store them in the cloud or on your own server. When using cloud profiles, you may encounter errors that lead to profile blocking. One of these errors is the locked status. This error often occurs due to incorrect profile closure, such as if you put your laptop to sleep without closing the profile first, or due to sudden computer shutdowns or network issues. One of the ways to unlock a profile is through the cloud dashboard. To do this, follow the link in the description below. Once you're in the cloud dashboard, you'll see a list of cloud profiles. To unlock a profile with the locked status, click on the lock icon and then confirm your action in the pop-up window. Remember, after unlocking, there's a chance that the last session may not be saved, and you could lose unsaved changes in the profile. You can also unlock a cloud profile in the most convenient way, directly from the main window of the program. To do this, launch the program and look for profiles marked with a red lock icon. Right-click on the locked profile and select the Unlock option from the popped-up menu, then confirm your action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.